Hello students, how are you? I think that you are fine. So, I am going to start oxidation reaction topic, which important chapter for forwarding next chapter. So, first discuss oxidation and reduction process. So, oxidation and reduction process generally ordinary definition and ancient time. That means beginning oxidation and reduction process. So now basic concept of oxidation and reduction process discuss. So oxidation, that means addition of oxygen. Addition of oxygen. Oxygen का addition means oxidation. And in other words, remove of hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom remove. Then it is called oxidation process. In ancient पुराने समय में अवधारणा बताई गई, पुरानी अवधारणा बताई गई when they discuss the oxidation and reduction process. So now, for example, magnesium plus oxygen to give magnesium oxide. Magnesium and oxygen. Now here you see magnesium and oxygen. Oxygen will be added to this magnesium oxide. So this is called oxidation due to oxygen atom add to magnesium in metal. So this is magnesium oxide. Clear? In other words, loss of hydrogen, loss of hydrogen, remove of hydrogen metal. For example, H2S plus oxygen. Here, in this compound, hydrogen remove and get water molecules. So in this process, hydrogen remove and this is get converted to sulfur. Oxygen remove, convert to this here and sulfur here. So now this process, oxygen add or hydrogen remove. So it is called oxidation process. Now reduction process, addition of hydrogen atom or loss of oxygen atom. Reduction, opposite process, addition of hydrogen atom or loss of oxygen atom. For example, sodium plus hydrogen. Sodium, hydrogen are added. So this hydrogen will be added. Now this is sodium hydride, which is reduction process. Or other word, oxygen remove. Oxygen atom remove. That means potassium chloride plus oxygen. So now in this compound, oxygen remove here, and now in this hydrogen added. Hydrogen add, oxygen remove. Reduction process. Just opposite. Oxygen add, hydrogen remove. Oxidation process. So students, this concept, beginning concept of hydrogen and oxidation and reduction process. Now in modern concept which based on electron method. Modern concept of oxidation and reduction which based on electron method. Electron concept. Electron concept based on the oxidation and reduction process. Now, here oxidation, loss of electron is called oxidation. In any process, electron remove, then it is called oxidation process. And electron gain electron process is called reduction process. So discuss the clear definition for examples and then. So modern concept of oxidation and reduction also based on the electron concept. Now oxidation, loss of electron is called oxidation. For example, here sodium 2, sodium ion plus 1 electron. Why? Because electronic configuration of sodium here 281. Outermost shell electron removed. Outermost shell electron. Suppose this here sodium 1, 2. You know in previous class 10 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So 2, 8 and 1. So outermost shell electron removed. Then it is called oxidation process. So this is oxidation. 1 electron gain. So 1 electron here. For examples, magnesium 2, 8, 2. Each atom is number 12. So electronic configuration 2, 8, 2. So 2 electron removed. Then magnesium ion and 2 electron. 1, 2. So 2 electron. That means 2 electron lose outer shell value. So it is called oxidation process. And further suppose that here ESN2 and ESN plus 4 plus 2 electron. Suppose ESN 2 positive charge, that means 2 electrons. Now here ESN plus 4 electron. So 2 and 4 difference 2 electron. That means in this case valency are increased. Element valency are increased. 2 here 4 here, that means 0. 2 that means 0, that means 1. You also you learn sodium, magnesium, 1 charge 2, aluminum 3, oxygen 2, and so balance different type of you should be learned. So now here this is oxidation process on the base of electron. Removal of electron is called oxidation and some give the. Now second topic and the reduction process. Now reduction process are those process gain of electron. Reduction gain of electron is called reduction. Gain of electron is called reduction. This process. So now suppose that Fe plus 3 charge and 1 electron gain, so Fe plus 2 charge. In this process, electron added left side. In oxidation process, outside. So here iron plus 3 valency, then 3 charge, 1 electron gain. So this is reduced to Fe plus 2. That means valency of the element are decreased in this process. Okay? Now again ESN plus 4 plus 2 electron gain, ESN plus 2. So this is reduction process. Suppose oxygen convert to oxide ion, which is negative. Now here 0, 2 atom. So 2 atom, that means 4 electron. This is balance. Which balance? Electron balance. So this is reduction process. 0 to minus 2, which is less than 0. So this process reduction process. Now in this case, some other, this convert redox reaction. Redox reaction. So redox reaction are those reactions in which oxidation and reduction process both occurs. That means oxidation and reduction are both processes. Such a reaction is called oxidation reaction. So redox reaction. So for example, suppose that SN plus 2 3 gives SN plus 4 and SN plus 4, sorry, SN plus 2, Fe plus 2. Now in this examples, SN plus 2, SN plus 4 increase